Here we have what I believe is a 2011, it might be 2005 Comfortmaker unit. Right here it says Comfortmaker on it. Currently running engineer. The serial number is E1105097409. The model number is N4H336AKE100. I believe this is a 2011 unit, that means. Might be 2005, especially with the amount of rust on the unit. Oh, it just shut off. Well, not really too much to talk about. Can't really see the fan from here because of how it's mounted. But yeah, here is what I believe is a 2011, possibly 2005 Comfortmaker air conditioner that just shut off. Over and out.